Good morning, class. So today we are moving to Unit 12. We are through with Unit 11. I'm through with Unit 11. You are not yet through. Go back and revise the halving principle. So today I'm introducing R hook. So this is not the first time you're coming across a hook in shorthand. So we are being told a small initial hook written on the non-side of the circle to straight strokes, straight down strokes, and K and G adds R. The small hook is written at the beginning of the stroke to the right. Write it in a clockwise motion. So when we go back to Unit 7, we were introduced to stroke R, and we were introduced to two R's, the downward R and upward ray. All these were introduced for easy formation, the joining of outline to other outlines. So the downward R, we were told, when a vowel comes before R, we use the downward R in words like air, ear, O. So we were drilling R, we place the vowel, ear, third place, O, second place. Then we are also told if R ends in a word and we don't have a sounded vowel, in a word like custom, inju, so we were using the downward R. And also for those words which have a heavy vowel, second place O, this O, and air, in words like for, show, fair, appear. So we were using the downward R. Then the second R, the upward ray, when a word begins with R, in words like Ruth, it's a noun, we place the capital signs, rope, ready, rig, rag. You can go through all those words. And also when a vowel comes, a sounded vowel comes after R. Look at the word inju. What about injury? Injury. So we want to get a place where we are going to place the vowel. So we are going to use the upward ray. Factory. Borrow. Thara. Varies. Now, all those words, they'll still remain like that. We'll still be using the downward R, the upward ray. Now in this Unit 12, we are being introduced to R hook. Not R consonant, but R hook. So, when R hook is added on the straight down strokes and the two horizontal strokes, K and G. So look at this. We already know how to drill P, B, T, D, J, J, K, and G. So we are being told, when we go back to Unit 6, we were introduced to S circle. And S circle, we were drilling it in anti-clockwise on the right side of straight strokes, like ST, SD, SP, SB, SJ, SJ, SK, SG. Now these are hook. So pay attention. We are being told we are going to drill it in a clockwise motion. Clockwise, it means from left moving towards the right. Then on the none side of the circle, so it won't appear here, it won't appear there. On the none side, so it's towards the left. So look at P. When I add the R hook, so I'll drill it like that, clockwise. Look at how I'm drilling. So it will, phonetically, it will give us consonant pa. So when you add the hook, it no longer remains as consonant P. Now it moves to, it changes its pronunciation to pa. We have two consonants, P and R. So when we are drilling, you call out the sound pa. Pa, 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 pa. Then we come to B, consonant B. So when we add the R hook, it gives us ba. Pronounce ba. So we drill ba, ba, ba. We start with the hook. Look at how I'm moving clockwise from left to right. Then we come to T. It gives us phonetically ta. So we drill ta, very light, ta, ta, ta. We move to D, it gives us da. Pronounce da. Da, da, da. Then che, it gives us cha. Cha, cha. You make a mistake, you circle, we don't erase. Cha, cha. Then we come to ja, not ja for Rastafari. This is ja, the consonant ja. J, when we add R hook, we call it ja. So it is ja, ja, ja. Then K, phonetically, it becomes ka. When we add R, ka, ka on the none side of the circle. Then we come to ga, gay, gay. When we add R, it becomes ga. Pronounce ga. So it is ga, ga, ga. So what are they telling us from the textbook? We are being told these are called pa, ba, ta, da, cha, ja, ka, ga. Though they do not always represent these syllables. You will find a word, it's having P, like a word person and prison. Both are having PR, but the syllables, when you look at them, they are not following the same order. But the thing is, we are looking for R coming after P, coming after B, coming after T, D, J, and K. So I want you to drill for me quarter of a page as you call out the sound. Internalize the sounds. Make sure you know to drill from right, left to right in a clockwise motion. And also, remember to call out. As you drill, call out the sounds. So clockwise motion, left to right. We come to the end of our lesson.